How to use the inspector in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, the inspector is the powerful panel in DaVinci Resolve that lets you adjust and fine-tune your clips with precision, whether it's video, audio, or effects. When you select any clip in the timeline, the inspector automatically shows options related to that clip. You can access it by clicking the inspector button at the top right of the interface. In the inspector, you will find several tabs depending on the clip type. For video clips, you can control basic transformations like position, rotation, scale, and cropping. This helps you reposition or resize your clip exactly how you want it. Next, you have controls for compositing such as opacity and blend modes, which are useful when layering clips or adding effects. The inspector also lets you add keyframes so you can animate these properties over time. When working with audio clips, the inspector gives you volume control, pan settings, and options to add audio effects or equalizers, making sound editing easier without leaving the edit page. Additionally, if you apply effects or transitions to clips, the inspector lets you customize those effects in detail. For example, adjusting blur intensity, drop shadow setting, or any other parameters specific to the effect. Mastering the inspector allows you to avoid sourcing through menus and focus more on fine-tuning your project just the way you want. And that's it. Now you know how to use the inspector in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.